My car just died in the car park.
Battery.
Thought so. It started again for a second, then stopped.
Don't keep turning it over.
Fuel lights on. I didn't notice earlier.
Can you push it somewhere brighter?
It's in neutral. I tried. There's a car across from me. Headlights just came on.
Okay. At least you're not alone.
That's the thing. It's been empty all night.
Maybe someone just arrived?
No engine sound. Just the lights.
Stay in the car.
I turned my engine off earlier. That's when they came on,